You can also search for emails easily inside of Microsoft Outlook. So over here, you can see that I have a lot of emails right here. And let's say you want to search for a particular email. In that case, you can go around onto the search section right here and simply go around and search for emails that you like. For example, I'm just going to go around and search for emails with the word hello in it and press enter. So once you do that, you can see that the emails with the word hello actually pops up just like this. So this is in the current mailbox. You can also search in inbox and then junk email, send emails and everything else, as you can see right here, just like this. You can also go around over here onto another email and type in hello right here and then press enter, and then whatever emails with hello pops up over here just like this. So let me just go around onto the search section right here, and you can see that you can go around and search for decide where to search for, or you can apply filters as well. So right now you can search in inbox, let's say for example, and you can go around and search for emails from a particular person as well, and with to certain person as well, or select a date range as well, and only select the red status with the attachments as well, or without the attachments. So let me just go around and click on search, and then the email with that particular criteria is selected. So you can see that this particular email with is red yes pops up right here just like this. Let me just go around onto search and go over here, and let's say I want emails with attachments on a certain date range. So I'm just going to go around from October right here to, let's say for example, on to October end right here. Click on search, then emails with that particular date range and attachments show up right here just like this. So that is how you can go around and search for emails as you like by using filters inside of Microsoft Outlook. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.